Take the hardware for the stock seat belt buckle and apply blue Loctite before installing nut. Using either a wrench or a socket and ratchet, tighten down the bolt, ensuring the buckle is facing the correct way. Insert nuts into seat rails in the correct location. Assemble seat bolts correctly, starting with washer, then spacer. Install bolts to nuts, but do not tighten down yet. After ideal location, use a 6mm Allen key or socket and tighten down bolts. Apply blue Loctite to seat bolts prior to installation. Carefully install seat rails to seats and loosely tighten the bolts. Using a 10mm wrench to help turn the bolt. Check that all bolts are seated properly and not cross-threaded. Carefully place each seat in the car and check for clearance. Using a 12mm socket, hand tighten the bolts. Check clearance between the seat and the door. Adjust if needed. Remove seats to fully tighten down seat hardware. Apply blue Loctite to bracket bolts and tighten down. Torque to factory spec. Using a wrench, tighten down last hard to reach bolt, and your installation is complete.